It all starts with a single cell containing the entire instruction manual for a human. For the first 2 weeks, this tiny cluster of cells is on a solo mission, fighting for survival long before it's even called a pregnancy. Today, we're going on that hidden journey, day by day, to see the mind-boggling way a human life begins. Section 1, Setting the stage. First, a quick note on how pregnancy is dated. Clinically, day 1 is the first day of the last period, which means for about 2 weeks, you aren't actually pregnant. Our story really begins at the end of week 2, with ovulation. An egg leaves the ovary and travels down the fallopian tube. It has a tight 12 to 24-hour window for one sperm to fuse with it. This is fertilization. 2 sets of genes combine, creating a unique one-celled organism called a zygote. Section 2, Week 1, the journey begins day 1 to 4. Immediately, the zygote starts dividing in a process called cleavage, doubling its cells every 10 to 12 hours. While tumbling down the fallopian tube, it becomes a solid ball of cells called a morula by day 4. It's no bigger than the original egg, just far more complex. Day 5 to 7, around day 5, the morula develops a fluid-filled cavity, becoming a blastocyst. This structure has 2 parts, an outer layer, the trophoblast, which will form the placenta, and the inner cell mass, which becomes the baby. After arriving in the uterus, the blastocyst hatches from its protective shell, preparing to find a home. CTA from a single cell to a complex blastocyst, it's a microscopic marvel. If you agree, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next chapter of this incredible story. Section 3, Week 2, the fight for survival. Day 8 to 10, Week 2 is all about implantation. The blastocyst must attach to the nutrient-rich uterine lining to survive. This isn't a gentle docking, it's an active invasion. The outer cells burrow into the uterine wall, forging a physical link to the mother. Failure to implant is a common cause of very early pregnancy loss. Day 11 to 14, as implantation finishes, those outer cells release a critical hormone, human chorionic gonadotropin, or HCG. This is the hormone detected by home pregnancy tests. HCG signals the mother's body to cancel the next menstrual cycle and support the pregnancy. Meanwhile, the inner cell mass organizes into 2 distinct layers, setting the stage for organ development. Section 4, What's mom feeling? While this microscopic drama unfolds, what does the mother feel? Often, nothing. Hormonal shifts are just beginning, and HCG levels aren't high enough for tests or symptoms. Some women experience mild cramping or light spotting during implantation, but many have no idea this epic journey is happening. It all takes place completely behind the scenes. Conclusion. So in just 2 weeks, a single fertilized egg becomes a securely implanted blastocyst of hundreds of cells, all before its existence is even suspected. It has traveled, transformed, and fought for its place. The foundation has been laid, and now the real work of building a baby is about to begin. To see what happens next, check out our video on weeks 3 and 4. Subscribe to our channel for more updates.